check out how this logger's doing his thing.
Welcome to raw timber, where every cut is calculated. Every machine earns its keep, and every log begins a journey from forest to fuel, from waste to resource. From backyard ingenuity to industrial giants, this is the full spectrum of wood processing power. Hey everyone, take a look at this serious tree action in motion. Watch how the logger makes those cuts. That's not random chopping, that's precision. He's calculating angles, reading the lean, planning exactly how the tree will fall. Every notch, every back cut is made with purpose. It's a nail biter every time, because one wrong move changes everything. Now shift gears. This hydraulic firewood cutter is a dream for tech enthusiasts. The cylinder runs smooth, the cutting cycle is fast, and it's perfect for home setups or small workshops. It's compact, efficient, and built for clean output. Makes you wonder about the price tag and whether it's worth adding to the yard. Then there are machines that carry history. Seeing an old unit dismantled can feel personal. Maybe it once carried family, memories, moments in time. But even at the end of service, useful parts can be salvaged. That's the cycle, nothing wasted if it's engineered right. Automation is pushing small and medium forestry forward, but real questions matter. Can the system handle warped, knotty, irregular wood? How does it deal with errors? How simple is routine maintenance? Safety is a major advantage, but durability and reliability are what prove long-term value. In Norway, massive logistics are on display. 2,000 tons of wood chips, sourced from waste wood, loaded onto a ship. That's not trash, that's fuel headed to an energy plant. Large-scale waste management and resource recovery operating at serious scale. They say don't judge a log by its bark. Rough outside, stunning grain inside. But when hands get close to blades, even beauty comes with risk. Skill and caution must work together. Debarking used to be slow and brutal. Now the Cambio 800 strips bark in seconds, while the CIM 750 keeps logs moving without jams. Hardened teeth, continuous flow, pure efficiency. Respect the trucking too. Heavy loads navigating tight back roads from forest to mill. Every step harvesting, hauling, processing is part of one synchronized chain. Needs serious chipping power? The Dopstat DH-812, built in Germany, devours massive logs at top speed. Paired with a 540 horsepower MAN engine, it handles demanding forestry jobs with confidence. Used models have even been listed around $195,000. Serious investment for serious output. For heavy shredding, the M&J 4000 delivers 30 to 100 tons per hour. Construction debris, municipal solid waste, it handles it with a robust diesel hydraulic system and site-to-site mobility. Built for demanding landscapes. Built right. Loading 37 tons of wood chips efficiently shows how far systems have advanced. Cleaner handling, higher throughput, less waste compared to traditional loaders. Interchangeable rotors change the game. Swap between chipping and grinding modes in the field. One machine, multiple materials, multiple output targets. That flexibility is critical in diverse operations. Stump grinding looks effortless with a turbocharged Vermeer unit. Smooth, powerful, and priced around $65,000, it's a serious tool for professionals needing reliability and tight gate clearance. Homemade machines walk a fine line, fast and efficient but sometimes a little too close for comfort. Genius and risk often share the same space. Keep your distance. The Lindner RZT-1000 500 shredder shows what smart design looks like. Large hopper, moving floor, conveyor system, less jamming, more continuous shredding. In the forest canopy, cranes lift workers high to tackle massive pines safely. On the ground, chippers crush logs into uniform chips with astonishing force. Modern forestry blends strength with control. For copper recovery from old electric motors, specialized hammer mill lines process WEEE efficiently, maximizing output and material value. Recycling technology refined for high-value resources. The VTN FB 350 crushing bucket bites into rock like it's nothing. 6 years old and still working, day in, day out, proof that durability matters. The Franzoi TRF 2115 brings 500 horsepower and heavy-duty build quality, a 9.2 cubic yard hopper, automatic overload protection, dual cutting speeds at 3.5 and 7 revolutions per minute, engineered for varied materials and steady output. Then comes the Dopstat DH910. With 1,032 horsepower, it processes logs up to 35 inches in diameter, surpassing the DH812's 2.4-inch capacity. Enlarged rotors and higher rotational speeds dramatically increase throughput. Onboard diagnostics reduce blockages and improve chip quality. Built for large-scale milling and high-volume operations, bulky drums crushed down for recycling show heavy machinery, working for the planet, less landfill, more material back into production. The Eschelbuch Viper 110 chipper mounted on a truck chassis is a monster. 420 tons of logs chipped in 10 hours. 750 horsepower. A feed mouth 35 inches high and 47 inches wide. It runs on its own 750 horsepower Volvo engine, fully independent, no strain on the truck. Maximum power, maximum throughput. Concrete demolition? A hydraulic crusher on an excavator arm tears through massive reinforced sections like a mechanical predator. Sheer controlled force. At the mill, the system is a synchronized orchestra. Drum chippers shred logs, conveyors move material, debarkers maintain flow. Optimized chip mills outperform traditional setups in productivity, quality, and safety. DIY ingenuity shows up everywhere. Backyard chippers, homemade pruners, creative, bold, sometimes risky. Exposed blades remind us that power without protection demands respect. From precision tree felling to industrial shredding, from backyard builds to million-dollar processing lines, this is raw timber. Strength, engineering, logistics, recycling, a complete cycle where wood and steel meet machinery, and nothing stays idle for long.